Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Autocad. Today we are diving into the latest Autocad 2025 interface. Whether you are new to Autocad or just getting up to speed with the latest updates, this video will cover everything you need to know about the application menu, quick access toolbar, ribbons, info center, command window, and graphical area and status bar. Let's get started. First up, we have the application menu. You can find it in the top left corner, represented by the big A icon. Clicking on this icon giving you access to essential commands like new, open, save as, import, export, publish, etc. It also contains recent files, making it easy to access your recent projects. You can also customize this menu to add your frequently used commands. Next one, we have the quick access toolbar. This toolbar provides quick access to some of most frequently used commands like new, save, folder, edit, undo, redo, etc. You can also customize the quick access toolbar by adding your favorite commands, making it a real-time saver. Next one is the ribbons. The ribbons are a series of tabs that contains group of commands organized by function. You will find tabs like home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, etc. Each tab contains panel that group similar commands together. For example, under the home tab, there is draw, modify, annotation, layers, blocks. These are the group of commands. The ribbon interface makes it easy to find the tools you need without digging through menus. Next one is the info center. The info center is your go-to place for searching commands, accessing help, and getting updates. You can type in keywords to find commands, open the help documentation, and even see what's new in AutoCAD 2025. It's a great tool for quick assistance. The next one is the command window. The command window is one of the most crucial element of the AutoCAD interface. It's where you enter commands and AutoCAD prompts you for the next steps. You can see the history of your commands, making it easier to undo actions or repeat them. The commands window is fully customizable, allowing you to change its size, position, and transparency. The next one is graphical area. It is where all the magic happens. This is your workspace where you draw, model, and visualize your projects. You can use various tools and commands to create your designs, and the grid helps you align your objects. You can also switch between different views and workspaces depending on your needs. Last but not least, we have the status bar. This bar provides quick access to settings like grid, snap, ortho, folder tracking, etc. You can turn these settings on or off depending on your workflow. The status bar also displays useful information like the coordinates of your cursor and the status of your drawing. That's a quick overview of the AutoCAD 2025 interface. We hope this video helps you get started with your projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, Autocad and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.